If push-ups hurt your shoulders, here's why. You see, when most people do push-ups, they do push-ups like this, where they bring their elbows to the outside and they come forward and backward. Now, if you're really flexible, this is totally fine. But if you're not, this is a huge problem. And let me explain why, okay? As you bring your arm back, if it is even with your shoulder and your elbow's coming to the outside, watch this bone here. It's like, it's clamming into this bone, it's hurting the shoulder joint, right? And if I show you in my own body, watch, if my chest isn't flexible, what happens is my shoulder has to go into internal rotation in order to let my hand come backwards. Now I'm pushing from this broken arm position. We don't want to be in this internally rotated position when we're doing a push-up, okay? So for a lot of people, doing push-ups with wide elbows feels easier. That's why we do it, because we can do more repetitions initially, but you're probably going to end up hurting your shoulders, especially if you're going through a full range of motion. So the better way to do push-ups, instead of having your elbows high and letting your shoulder come into internal rotation, watch this. If I bring my elbow low like this, now I can pull my shoulder back into a healthy, safe position. I can bring my hand all the way back to my shoulder, and my shoulder stays in external rotation like this. So try this the next time you're doing push-ups. Instead of putting your hands high like this and bringing your elbows high into the outside like this, bring your hands lower. If you need to, you can do them on the wall or chair like this. Turn your fingertips to the outside like this, and then imagine bringing your elbows towards your hips, down like this. What you'll find is you'll have more range of motion, your shoulders will feel like they have more control, and you will decrease your risk of hurting your shoulders by a significant margin. So don't make these mistakes, okay? And there's a lot more mistakes you could be making in moving your body. That's why we started WeShape, to teach you how to move your body better so you can feel better in your body. If you want to learn how to move your body better, that's what we do. You can try a free 10-minute routine by clicking the link in the description below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and if you want more form tips like this, make sure you subscribe.